How can I make my carburizing process more reliable, reduce operating costs, and improve productivity?
Nitrogen and methanol-based carburizing atmosphere can make your operation more flexible. They can also significantly reduce maintenance costs compared with endothermic generated atmospheres. Optimal methanol cracking with low oxidizing and decarburizing atmosphere components reduces the formation of soot, lowers your hydrocarbon gas consumption, and means that you need fewer maintenance cycles. Using our new Industry 4.0 ready smart nitrogen-methanol lens to monitor lens conditions can deliver all these benefits. If you would like to know how our smart lens for nitrogen-methanol injection can improve your furnace operations, take a look at our case study or contact our application specialists.
For more information, contact your Air Products expert today.